Good morning, my dear students. So, welcome to Royal Palace PU College. So, in previous class, we have discussed about the diversity in the living organisms and different types of living characters we have discussed. Likewise, now in this class, we have to study what is diversity. What is a diversity or the biodiversity? So, biodiversity, what is mean by a biodiversity or the diversity in the living organisms? Diversity in the living organisms, also we called it as the biodiversity. What is mean by a biodiversity? How can we define the term of biodiversity? Likewise, what are the benefits of the biodiversity? What are the defects of the biodiversity? Like in a brief manner, we have to discuss about this biodiversity. So the term biodiversity, it represents the sum of living organisms present on earth region is called as biodiversity. So our planet of earth is a diversified planet because a lot of organisms, the living organisms are present on the earth region. There are huge amount of the organisms are present on earth region. None of the planets, they are not suitable for the growth and development of such a huge diversified organisms. But the earth can provide the suitable conditions for the survival of different types of living beings. So let us take, many of the organisms are growing in the biodiversity, like the sum of organisms present on earth is called as biodiversity. Some, it means all the living organisms present on earth region. It is called as the biodiversity. In this biodiversity, if you have to observe, we can differentiate a plant biodiversity, or we can differentiate the animal biodiversity, we can differentiate the microbial biodiversity. Like a lot of variations can be seen in the variable organisms by following their different characteristic features. Let us take in case of the plants on earth region, nearly present 1.7 to 1.8 millions of the plants are present of plant species. If you have to observe, nearly 1.7 to 1.8 millions of the plant species they have identified, or that much range of the plants are present on a earth region. Likewise, in the animals and in the microbes, like a large number of organisms we can see on the earth region. But you have to observe, this much number of the organisms are present, and more than that number of the organisms are still not yet found. Still the scientist like botanist and the geologist those are working on these plants, the research workers, they are still studying and to finding different types of the new categories of the plant bodies. Among those plants, some are present in the earth region. It means inside on the soil region they are present. Some are inside the water they are present. Some are present in the surface of the soil region. Like there is a habitat, different habitats are present. Those habitats are suitable for growth and development of such type of the plant bodies. If you have to take in the plants, like we called it as the huge amount of algae are living in the sea region or the ocean region. Most of their habitats we can consider as a sea region or ocean region. And nearby the rivers, canals and the ponds and different types of water reserved bodies. In those different localities, different types of the plants, they are growing. Likewise, if you have to observe the algae, most of the algae they are living in the ocean region or the sea region. Like many number of the bryophytes and pteridophytes as well as the gymnosperms and angiosperms are present on our surrounding areas. The largest biodiversity in the world that we called it as the Amazon. It's a Amazon forest. It is the largest diversified biodiversity. ಇಡೀ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಯೋಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಸಮ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್, some thousands of the microbial organisms are the, like we called it as the arthropods, insects, annelids and molluscans, like different echinodermates, fishes, like many types of organisms are growing in the region we called it as the Amazon forest. When you have to observe in case of the ocean or in the sea, inside the water also there is a diversified organisms like animals. Those we call it as the fishes. The fishes are present. Likewise in the different types of the fishes, different categories of the fishes, they are surviving in the ocean region. They may be the blue whale or the shark or the catla, like different varieties of the fishes are surviving inside the water in the ocean region. Likewise, so in Amazon forest, it is a largest forest or largest biodiversity because of presence of a huge population of the plants, animals and even the many of the microbes. So the plants we can consider like we called it as the algae, bryophytes, and the pteridophytes, and gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Like the plant categories we may observe in the Amazon forest, some of the algae are present and bryophytes are present, pteridophytes are present, gymnosperms are present, and even angiosperms also they are present and distributed in the forest of the Amazon. Likewise, in the animals, that we can consider as like the sponges. Sponge, those are present in the oceans or the watery bodies, the sea regions, then the coelenterate, and ctenophores, Aschelminths, and platyhelminths, the Aschelminths and platyhelminths, likewise annelids, arthropods, and molluscans, and the echinodermids, and hemichordates, and chordates. Like use varieties of animals that we can consider from sponges. These are the different phylums of animals. Animals ನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅದ್ರಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಂಥ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋವು ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದವು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋವು ಸಿಲೆಂಟಿರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಟೀನೋಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಆಸ್ಕಿಹೆಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲಾಟಿಹೆಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅನ್ನೆಲಿಡ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ಥ್ರೋಪೋಡ್ಸ್, ಮೊಲಸ್ಕನ್ಸ್, ಎಕಿನೋಡರ್ಮೆಟ್ಸ್, ಹೆಮಿಕಾರ್ಡೆಟ್ಸ್, ಕಾರ್ಡೆಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಾವು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ many types of microbes like protist, and the many of the viruses. These are very microscopic organisms and mycoplasmas, and we can consider Monerians. So like there is a microbes, those microbes commonly called as either the protist or Monerians. The protist and Monerians we can consider as the microbes which are having very low molecular weight of their body, and their structure also which is microscopic manner. We can't to see their structure because unicellular organisms, some are unicellular, that's why their structure will become very very minute structures. We can find through the help of the microscopes only. So that's why the microscopes are using to find out the bacterial structures or the mycoplasmas and the Monerians and the viral. So their structures can be seen under the microscopes of high visualizing or high magnifying lenses, electronic magnifying lenses. Like such type of the lenses will be helps for to observe the different characteristic features of the structure of the bacteriums and viral organisms. So like all these different categories of organisms collectively we call it as a biodiversity. So these kind of organisms are growing or present which shows their survival characters on earth region only, because here it is the availability of the food materials and the water and the shelter, like everything they has, that's why they can easily surviving in the earth region. So if you have to observe every living organism, whether it may be the animal or whether it may be the different types of plants, all they are surviving in the sense because the conditions are suitable for their growth and development. ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಷ್ಟು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದವು. ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಲೈಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀರು, ಆಹಾರ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು, ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗೋದರಿಂದ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಜೀವನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದವು. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಗ್ನೋರಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ have time to study them, that's why we are just ignoring. But there is a huge diversified earth, it is huge amount of the plants are present, the huge amount of the animals are present, like different varieties of the microbial organisms also they are present on the earth region. So thank you for watching this online video. We will continue the remaining concepts in the next class. Thank you.